In this lesson, we will walk you through the process of setting up your A2P 10 DLC registration, ensuring that you can send messages to your audience without any issues. It helps improve message delivery rates, ensures your messages are not flagged as spam, and it establishes a reliable communication channel with your customers while ensuring compliance with regulations. Step 1. Your business profile. Provide essential information about your business, such as legal name, physical address, business type, and more. Use the SMS compliance settings within the business profile to adhere to compliance guidelines. You should already have this done from the previous lesson. If not, go back and complete that lesson before this one. Step 2. Update your account. Make sure that your customers have chosen to receive text or calls from your business. This typically involves providing a link to an opt-in form on your website or an SMS opt-in. Keep this in mind when adjusting your account settings or automation as needed to comply with A2P regulations. Step 3. A2P 10 DLC registration. Navigate to the Trust Center. Begin by logging into your account, opening settings, phone numbers, and accessing the Trust Center. This is where you will initiate your A2P 10 DLC registration. Initiate the registration process. In the Trust Center, you will find an option to start the A2P 10 DLC registration process. Click this option to begin. Choose the right registration path. You will encounter two registration paths. A. Business with tax number. If your business has a tax number, like an EIN for US businesses, select this option. It's known as Standard Low Volume Brand Registration. B. Businesses without tax number. If your business does not have a tax number, but operates from a valid US or Canadian business address, choose this option. It's referred to as Sole Prop Brand Registration. Describe your campaign use case. This is a crucial part of your registration. Describe in detail how you plan to use SMS messages. This description helps authorities understand your intentions and ensures compliance. Be specific and transparent. You can choose from various predefined campaign use cases, including two-factor authentication, account notifications, customer care, delivery notifications, fraud alert messaging, higher education, marketing, mixed, polling and voting, public service announcements or PSAs, or even security alerts. Choose the use case that best aligns with your SMS messaging intentions. Remember, consistency with your use case and your actual messaging is crucial. Register your business-friendly name. Next, you'll need to register a friendly name for your business. This name should represent your business effectively and be concise enough to fit on a standard mobile device screen. Ensure this name reflects your brand accurately, as it will be visible to your customers. Confirm authenticity and submit. Confirm the authenticity of the provided information. Once you've reviewed and verified all the details, submit your registration. Be prepared to wait for approval, which can take up to several business days. Await approval. After submission, your registration status will change to in review. You will receive a confirmation that your profile has been successfully submitted. Step 4. Shake and stir trusted calling voice. Shake and stir protocols provide a way to validate the identity of callers, making it difficult for spammers and scammers to impersonate legitimate businesses. Enable trusted calling to ensure your voice calls are not flagged as spam. Register your business-friendly name and confirm its authenticity. Step 5. Purchasing a phone number. In a separate video, we'll explain how to purchase a phone number. This number will be associated with your registered brand and is used to send A2P messages. We'll cover details like area codes, number selection, and the associated settings in the next lesson. Registering your A2P application to person, 10 DLC brand, and purchasing a dedicated phone number are vital steps in ensuring compliant and trustworthy SMS communication. Compliance not only protects your business, but also builds trust with your audience. By following these steps and guidelines, you've ensured that your business can communicate effectively and compliantly with your audience through text messages. That's it! Make sure to follow any lesson instructions below and mark this as complete to keep moving forward.